Chana kebabs, popularly known as Veg Shammi Kebabs, these are what we're going to make today. They're very tasty and very crispy, and it's a great snack. So let's get started and check out the recipe. I've soaked 1 cup of Kabuli Chana. It's a 250 ml cup overnight. You can see the chana soaked very nicely. Now I'm going to pressure cook the chana first. Pour enough water so the chana is completely immersed. Now pressure cook the chana for about 6 whistles on medium flame. Strain the chana and cool it completely. Next, I'm going to add the chana to the mixer jar and pulse it a few times to get a nice coarse mixture. So you can see it's a nice coarse mixture. So I'm going to mix a few ingredients along with this, and then we're going to make patties using the chana. Transfer the ground chana to a bowl. Now I'm going to add a few ingredients to the ground chana. For this, I'm going to start with 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, a few coriander leaves chopped, a few mint leaves chopped. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Mix everything together. So now that we've mixed everything, we're going to start making the patties. You can check for seasoning at this point. If you need to add salt or a little more chili powder, you can. So if you can see, the mixture is a little dry, so I'm going to use a few tablespoons of the strained chana water. This is the water in which the chana was boiled, just to give it a little moisture to bind. So now it's nice, and you can see it can bind well. It's nice and soft and moist. Just want the mixture to be a little moist. Take a handful of the mixture. I'm going to make patties. Shape them nice and round. You can either flatten the edges using your hands, or you can do it on a flat surface. So I'm going to shape the patties in such a way that there is a little height to the patty. You can see it's nice and thick, and also the edges are flat. Take some oil for shallow frying. Once the oil is hot, place the prepared kebabs onto the hot oil and shallow fry them. Keep the flame on medium throughout the frying process. Once they are golden brown on both sides, remove them from the oil. Serve it hot. I'm going to make a curd dip. For this, I've taken 1 cup of curd. To this, I'm going to add a few chopped coriander leaves, a few mint leaves. To this, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala powder. Squeeze the juice of half lemon. Mix everything together. You can see it's a very nice thick curd dip. Serve the curd dip nice and chilled with your kebabs. there you go. Here are these delicious Shami Kebabs that you can enjoy with a nice mint dip or with a nice curd dip by the side. They can also be used as burger patties for your meals. So do a try and enjoy this recipe. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.